Habang tumatanda ka, nalalaman mo ang tunay na hamon ng buhay. Sa ating pangarap, kailangan natin magpatuloy. Hindi palaging andyan ang magulang natin. Kailangan natin matutong kumain sa sarili natin mga mahal. Ang pera ay hindi madaling kitain. Kaya't kung anong meron ka sa iyong bulsa, ay kailangan mong tipirin at palaguin. Sa bawat pangarap at plano na meron ka, isama mo ang magulang mo, mga kapatid mo, kung gusto mong maging successful sa buhay. Ako, sa aking hinaharap, maraming pagsubok pero kinakaya ko. Dahil alam ko ang realidad ng buhay. Dapat hindi ka sumuko. Ang pagkakamali at mga hirap na dinadanas ay dapat maging aral sa iyo upang lumakas at magsumikap sa buhay. And being part of LGBTQIA is not easy to live as a transgender. It would be a grateful and a blessing to being a transgender woman, but you need to face the reality and you need to fight by your own way. No matter what happened, I am grateful because I have my family that always supports me for being me. Being a transgender woman for going 4 years is not easy. A lot of struggles, anxiety, mood swings. But besides, I am so happy because this is me now, realizing that life is not easy, but life is colorful when you enjoy everything you had. And by finding happiness to your heart can lead you to success. And you know what is lucky? Kapag lumaki ka galing sa hirap, ay hindi na mahirap sa iyong harapin ang mga pagsubok. Ngunit magiging tatak na lang ito bilang parte ng iyong mga karanasan sa buhay. Ang sarap mabuhay. We're the place to enjoy. Kung saan makita mong simpleng buhay pero masaya. But one day, you will realize that that place is you need to live for a while. And you need to experience to live in other country, adopting other cultures. It's not easy to adjust. But one day, you will see the difference that the best culture of being a Filipino is a lucky and a gift for us. Minsan, naiisip ko na ang swerte ko din pala. Because you know what? Even though I don't have a formal job, I can provide everything I want here in a simple place. Sometimes, my neighbor said, you have a foreign partner, that's why you had a lot of money. At sinasabi ko na hindi ako umaasa at hindi ako humingi ng pera para lang provide sa pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan ko. Kaya kong kitain ang pera na kinakailangan ko para ibili ng makakain ko. Maibibigay sa kapatid ko o kaya sa magulang ko. Hindi ko kailangan gumamit ng tao.